And I was making like a nice smoothie, and I'm fucking coked up. I'm partying, you know, I'm living high. Partying, you know, I'm living high on the hog. And these 2 vests on, maybe, right? And I thought I heard something. Heard something outside, right? Which is kind of weird to even think of when you have a blender going, right? So I leave out of my apartment to go in the hallway, lock myself out with the blender going. 2:30 in the morning with the blender going. 2:30 in the morning, the blender going. 2:30 in the morning, coked up out of my brain, right? Now I have to go to my landlord, dude. Who lives right down the hall, and tell him, like, hey, man.
2:30 in the morning, I got locked out. The blender's on, son. Oh my God, he must have hated you.
The blender shorts out and smoke happens. The fire alarm starts going off in the building right as I'm at his door knocking, right?
Oh my God.
So now he's pissed and he's like, what's going on? And I didn't know what to say. I told him that I was throwing a late Christmas party, dude. This party, dude. It was fucking end of January.
How old were you at the time?
Huh? Oh, this is 2.5 years ago. So I was 35. Bro. So he comes back to my apartment, right? He's fucking pissed.